I am so excited about WGU opening this lab. Really one of our goals in the pre-licensure program and even other healthcare programs that we have at the Leavitt School of Health is really to open up access and opportunity for our students.
It took a lot of time because there weren't programs like this one. If you had issues with childcare, if there's a different school for your children, almost anything came up. It could not just track your career, sometimes it could end it. And so you're creating those opportunities for people to be able to succeed, to be able to become healthcare professionals in our country.
We're particularly excited that we're going to be turning out a large number of net new nurses in the next few years. We just went from, for instance, 800 students last year to over 2,000 students this year, and that will continue to grow over the next several years. We are incredibly excited to be able to open this lab for students in the Midwest.